We'll discuss about how to find 2 by 2 matrix determinant. Let's say you've given the determinant. Let's say you've given element A1, element B2, element A2, element sub 2, like this. So you must know when you multiply the determinant, it's always of 2 by 2. This we call this 2 by 2 matrix because it has 1, 2 what? It has 2 coulombs and 1, 2 rows. So a matrix is given by row multiplied by coulomb, the definition of it. So this will be what? Will be 2 by 2 matrix. So we're dealing with what? With the 2 by 2 matrix, call that, or 2 by 2 determinant. So to evaluate a determinant of 2 by 2 matrix, you have to multiply by the minor diagonal here, or the principal diagonal. You have to multiply like that. You'll have A1 multiplied by sub B. Then you minus, always there will be minus. Then you'll have the second diagonal, which is a major diagonal, multiplying like that. So we'll have sub 2, A sub 2 multiplied by B sub 1, like this. So this is what? It's a rule. It's a rule to determine what the determinant. So this is what it's a rule. So how can we put this into application? Let's say we are given now the determinant. Let me just say A. We've given the matrix there of minus 4. We've given 2. We've given 3. We've given 1. Then you have to find the determinant of determine the determinants of what? Of this matrix. I can call this of matrix 1. There we have that matrix A, number 1. So have the determinant then will simply equals to what? You multiply 4 by what? You follow this. 4 multiplied by 1, right? Minus is always there. 3 multiplied by 2. This will be 3 multiplied by 2. So the determinant will be 4 minus 4 multiplied by 1 will be negative 4. We have this minus 3 times 2 is 6. So this determinant will be negative 10. All right, let us practice some more of them. Let's say you've given a matrix 2, you've given the matrix 0, 8, and minus 7 and 6. 8, you have given matrix 5, 2, 11, minus 9. 9, we have given the matrix 7, 2, 8, 3. All right, so we have to let us find the determinant for the first matrix. Then you know the determinant will be equals to what? The diagonal will be 0 multiplied by 6 minus 7, negative 7 multiplied by 8. This will be equals to what? 6 multiplied by will be 0 minus, when you distribute this minus, okay, you multiply these two, but the negative will affect the positive, will affect the negative. So we'll have simply have what? Positive. Then 7 times 8, we know that will be 56. So this the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix will be 56. So we'll obtain 56. So let us find 8 there. Let us determine number 8. You can find the determinant there. We'll multiply there. 5 multiplied by minus 9. 5 multiplied by minus 9 minus 11 minus multiplied by 2. So this determinant will be what? 5 times 9, it is negative 9 will be negative 49 minus 11 times 2, which is 22. So this determinant will simply equals to what? Minus, or this is 40, it's 45, cannot be 49. 45, negative 45 minus 22, this would be negative 62. Negative 45 minus that will obtain that 67. Alright, so let's check the matrix there. Number 9, you'll multiply those matrices you've given the determinant there. You'll multiply 7 multiplied by 3 minus 8 multiplied by 2. Alright, so this will be what we have there. 7 times 3, which is 21, minus 8 times 2, which is 16. This will be equals to what? 21 minus this, which is 5. We'll have the determinant there will be what? Will be 5. This is how you determine the matrix of 2 by 2 matrix. So let's say you've given now matrix C. Here we have, or let me have given the situation like this: 7x, we have here 2, we have 3, we have 2. This must be equals to the determinant of minus 4, 2, 3, 1. Then determine the value of what? The value of x. So this, as you can see, we have, this is a 2 by 2 matrix, also this is a 2 by 2, so we can multiply that. 7x multiplied by 2 minus 2 multiplied by 3, this is equals to minus 4 multiplied by 1 minus 3 multiplied by 2. So this will be 14x minus 6. This must be equals to, here we have minus 4 minus 6, so this will be negative 10. So we'll obtain, here we have 14x minus 6, this must be equals to minus 10. So you have to solve for x. This is 14x, take to the other side, you have minus 10 plus 6, therefore you will have minus 10 plus 6 divided by 14, therefore x will be equals to what? There we have minus 10 plus 6 divided by 14. Alright, this will be negative 2 over 7. Alright, that is the value of what? Of x. Then together, that is how you determine 2 by 2 matrix. This is how you go about. There is nothing more.